Hello guys and welcome to Dreamy Luke. It's Luke here, the creator of this channel, and in this video I'd like to challenge you to understand some words in Spanish. If you know most of these words, it means that you are very far away in your journey to learning Spanish. So, let's get started. The first one is disfrutar, to enjoy something. Yo disfruto de cada día. I enjoy every day. The second one is aprovechar, to take advantage. Yo aprovecho cada momento. I take advantage of any moment, to take advantage of something. Me aprovecho, aprovechar algo. The next one is rechazar, to reject. Yo rechazo cualquier mala palabra. I reject any bad word. Reject things. Rechazar cosas. The next one is empeorar, to worsen things, to make things worse. He empeorado en mis lecciones de música. I've gotten worse in my music lessons. He empeorado, to get worse, worsen something. Acordar, to agree to do something. He acordado quedar contigo mañana. I have agreed to meet with you tomorrow. Capaz, and this one is tricky to pronounce. Capaz, with the Z at the end. Yo soy capaz. I am able, to be able to do something. Capable or able. Yo soy capaz de todo. Orgullo o orgulloso. It means pride, to be proud of something. Orgullo, pride. Yo estoy orgulloso de ti. I am proud of you. Riesgo, risk, to take a risk. Yo tomo muchos riesgos. I take a lot of risks. We are halfway of our list, and I'm gonna ask you, for now, how many of them did you know? If your answer is 2 to 3 or 4, then congratulations. You are starting to have a very good vocabulary. Let's go on. The next one is éxito, success. You see how they don't even match. The difference is very big. Éxito, success. Ellos tienen mucho éxito. They have a lot of success. Esfuerzo, effort. Yo hago mucho esfuerzo. I do a lot of effort. To put effort in something. Poner mucho esfuerzo. Consejo, advice. To give advice. Dar consejo. Te aconsejo, which is another word coming from the base one, consejo. Te aconsejo, aconsejar. This is the verb. Te aconsejo que hagas algo. I advise you to do something. Confiar, to trust. Trust somebody, to trust anybody to do something for you. Yo confío en ti. I trust you. Confiar. The next one is apoyar, to support somebody. Yo te apoyo. I support you. Agradecer, to be thankful, to thank. Yo te agradezco que hayas estado a mi lado. I am thankful that you are by my side. To be thankful, to thank somebody for something. And the last one is descubrir, to discover. Subscribe to this channel to discover what you can learn. Suscríbete a este canal para descubrir todo lo que puedes aprender. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, give a like, and leave me in the comments what did you think and how many of them did you already know.